In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a cluster using 4 double crochets that make up the cluster. So we're just going to go to the stitch that it says to go into, and you want to just wrap the hook and you want to go into that stitch and pull through and pull through 2 and hold it. So you don't want to finish the stitch. Going into the same one again, wrap, going through, pull through 2 and hold it. And keep doing that until you get your 4 in there that you need. Once you have your 4 in there, you will see a total of 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5. Let's show it to you again. I'm gonna do it right here. So there's gonna be 4 double crochets. So going in, pull through 2 and hold it, and do it again. So this is 2, 3, and 4. And there you should see a total of 5 loops on the hook now. Yarn over, pull through all of them. And so this would be how you do a cluster using 4 double crochets in order to make that happen.